Look at the state of this 1275 Midget engine. Looks like it's been in the sea. I mean, it is a state, it really is. This is how they come sometimes, but I'm pretty confident that I can do something with it, and I'm very hopeful that it's on a standard bore size, because a lot of the engines we use on the race cars, they all have to be 1293cc, which means they've either got to be a really good 20 thou oversize or a standard to start with, because I really don't like putting liners in them, not on a race engine. So although it looks horrible, I have hopes. However, it does not have an engine number on there, and what that generally means is that it's had a resurface on it. So oh, who knows? It's seized solid, absolutely seized. Even the alternator's seized, water pump is seized, everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dose it all up with WD-40, come back to it in a minute with some power tools, with me Milwaukee kit of electric guns and things. Let's see how far we can get, what we can take off it. We'll do it in a bit of a lapse time so that it won't seem quite so boring. Anyway, let's see what we get. I'm going to start squirting the WD now. Well, I got the knackered old Midget engine stripped down, well, nearly stripped down. I've still got 3 pistons to come out, although one of them's moving, but the end 2 are not particularly wanting to go anywhere. Anyway, I got the piston I got out. I've had a measure of the bore and it's not good. It's about as accurately as I can measure, round about 71.2-ish. So it ain't a standard bore size. It's not even a +20, it's bigger than that. So that's a bit disappointing, especially as the bores are in quite a state. If you look at how manky they are, the question is what you're going to have to machine that to get them to come up okay. The crank though seemed to be standard mains and big ends. It's going to need a polish probably, but I don't think it's going to need a grind. That'd be okay. Yeah, what more can I say really? I needed a set of rods out of it for an engine that I'm building at the moment. So I'm building a 1330, so that's a 60 thou oversize on to go in the Ashley Midget. So this one here, this pile of dirt and rubbish here, will probably end up as a plus 60 if we're lucky. Most of the stuff's going to end up in the bin. None of the headers, nothing on the head is of any use at all. Might be able to sell the exhaust manifold possibly, but everything else is just crap. Flywheel will go again, maybe the cam gears. That's the sort of stuff in that box there that's going to get used again. Back plate, front plate, all the main caps obviously, push rods over there. Yeah, sump had a hole in it, still saved me having to drain it, didn't it? Front cover, I don't think I'd trust that. I don't think I'd trust that front cover, to be honest. That's just asking for trouble. They leak enough as it is, so I think that can go in the bin as well. I don't know really, it's usable, so that's about as much as we can say on it really. It is usable, but it's a bit of a sorry old state, and there weren't much in it that can be used, but never mind. Onwards and upwards, it'll see the light of day again at some point.